So let's show you how to assemble the musket correctly, and let's run through what comes in the kit. So we have the body of the musket, we've got the canister, we've got 3 seals, there will be a 4th one that's already installed in here. Then we have 2 male connectors, a jet nozzle and the foaming nozzle. So let's assemble it. We have a little small seal here. This is to seal the canister. Now you want to make sure this is flush at the top here. If it goes into the thread and you nip it up, it will leak because it does pressurize into this canister. Once that's done, tighten it up. You don't want to tighten it up too much. And when you're leaving it, if you're storing it in the sun or anything like that, which I avoid doing, just snip it off a little bit and this will prevent it from potentially breaking in the future. From there, we've got these small little seals here. So this goes into the rear of the musket. So if you are in the US and you're screwing just your hose into the back, put the seal in still, nip in your hose, and away you go. So now you get the male connector, screw into the back of the musket. Make sure it's super tight. If it's backed off a little bit, it will leak. From there, we want to get the other seal, assemble it into the back of the foaming nozzle. It's color coded, so you have the male connector here, which will screw into the back of the foaming nozzle. Same again, you want to nip it up really well, stop leaking. Then from there, you want to get your female connector, screw on to the front of the musket. Remember the seal's in the back here. Tighten that up, and now you've got the quick connect, and you can change between the foaming nozzle, pull that back, connect, and then from there, how to use. It's super simple. You have off, water on, suds, easy as that. That's how you assemble the captain's musket.